Um, Recording. Hello. Hi, my name is Norberto Santiago, and I'm here to present my first portfolio project. Uh, it's a Ruby CLI related to breweries. You can look for your new favorite brewery in the city you're in. I decided to make something like this because this is a program that I will use in my real life. We all want to share our experiences on the internet and go to new places and share that experience where to our family in Facebook, our friends on Instagram, and what's better than doing an actual brewery program for everyone who loves craft beer can look for that hottest brewery in the city they're visiting. So let me share my screen. Okay, now that we're looking at the screen, let's take you to README. And here's the information we have. Uh, this is very simple. It's a simple program with a simple description. This gem is made with travelers and brewery lovers in mind. In this program, you'll be able to find the best breweries of any specific city you visit. And very important, I encourage people to enjoy and drink responsibly. Uh, this is the line to the application gem file, then execute bundle, uh, install install the program with this call gem install breweries, and this is the rest of the information provided. Let's look at the gem file. Okay, here's all the dependencies. Uh, HTTP party, what a name, and try very important to the development of this command line interface. Let's see the bin, breweries, CLI. This is how we started in the program. This is the console, the setup, pretty much everything we need to install our program and to have it up and running. So let's see the codes. Here's the LIB. Let's go to the breweries.rb file first to see what we are requiring. We require the following files. Uh, Obviously, we need the version, we need the CLI API, and to the other file, I decided to put Hoppy code, something funny for the that self and initialize methods. Uh, re- Other dependencies we require, like I say, pry, very important to check the program as I started to develop it, uh, an HTTP party for obtaining the API data. Let's see first the API file. This is the class breweries API. This is where I'm gonna get the data from the API website to this program. This is the method self that get breweries obviously input as an argument. This is a breweries hash. Uh, the code would be http dot get and the website I wanna get the info from. I decided to put the input by city because if we are visiting the city and we wanna have a beer in a brewery, so the input would be that city we're gonna be visiting. Very important, the empty array handle. This was the most challenging part so far in this project. The API was returning um, an empty array rather than an error, and it took me a long time to to discover this code and this way of handling that error. You can check out my blog post about this for more details. The code, the line of code will be return if at brewery hash that empty. That will help me with the empty array whenever the user put an error in there rather than a real city. The object, Brewery's object would be the name, the street, the city, the phone, and the website. That's the information I want the user to check when they're searching for their brewery. I want them, obviously, they're gonna have the name, right? And the streets, they're gonna know where that brewery is. The city, because we really need the city for the user input, the phone, so they can call for any reservation or any info, and the website to check out that place's website and see what they can offer. Uh, we're gonna call breweries Hoppy Code. Let's go to Hoppy Code. This is all the instance methods. Here we got the attribute accessor with the values we need to get this up and running. We got the name, the street, the city, the phone, and the website URL. Here we're calling add at all as an empty array. We got the initialize method. Here, this code was recommended and I decided to use it. I think I used this code in another project previously. Another project, no, another class in the curriculum, another lab. I think I used something similar, and I think it's very useful for the development of this program. Here we're calling a niche with the key and the value and self that send. They're gonna give me the key and it's gonna be equal as the value. We're gonna save it. We gotta save in case we wanna save something. Uh, we wanna save self at all method. And to save, this is a very simple method we've been doing all around for weeks. Add at all, um, self, that's how we save in Ruby. Now let's see the CLI. The CLI, this is what the user will be seeing. We're gonna start the program. It's gonna say, hello, please enter your location. And for the input, I'm calling it get that strip that downcase add data will have will be calling breweries API class and the method get breweries. That's when we're calling that data. Add objects will be breweries hoppy code at all. And this is the error handling. I did this code literally last night, right before going to bed, and it's gonna be if input that length uh, is less than one or objects are empty, it's gonna return, sorry, I didn't found any tab, and it's gonna return right to the start. Is just display the info, and what we got for displaying the info? It's gonna put you love the following spots, and it's gonna return an objects each with index one, and the loop will be brewery and index puts the index number and the brewery name. This is what I want the user to see at first. Um, Please make a selection by index number for more information, or type quit to end, or type menu to try another location. Uh, Again, the input gets equals gets strip down case. Uh, if input that two index is more than zero, it's gonna return me this object. Like we saw before, it's gonna return the name, the street, the city, the phone, and the website. And else if the input is quit, we're gonna quit. Else if the input is menu, we're going back to the start. Else anything else the user will put is gonna be oops, please try again to get more info. We want the user to put the index number in order to get all the info he needs about that brewery. Here's the quit method. Um, when the user quit the program, it's gonna say goodbye, and very importantly, drink responsibly and enjoy. Okay, let's run the program. Let's see if what we have here is working. Uh, it's saying hello. Please enter your location. Let's say New York. Let's go to New York City. And you love the following spots. It's returning me Alphabet City Brewing Company. So let's see what we got in Alphabet City. Let's put in the index number, which is one. Alphabet City Brewing Company is located in 200 Fifth Avenue. And obviously, the city is New York. We got the number. We got their website, which is theoldbrew.com. Um, what if I wanna try another location? What if I'm gonna take the L train right to Brooklyn. Let's see what we got in Brooklyn then. Let's call the menu and let's type Brooklyn. Another brewery. This one will be Blue Wolf Brewing Company. Let's see what we get. Okay, here we got the name. The API is not providing us the street. That would be something that we wanna update in the API to be able to return that. The city would be Brooklyn, and their phone number and their website, fiveboroughs.com. Um, I'm going to Brooklyn, so I don't need this program anymore. So let's tap quit. Goodbye. Drink responsibly and enjoy. Like I said at the start of the video walkthrough and presentation, this is something simple, something straightforward, and I hope you enjoyed my first project. I know there's still a lot of stuff to add. There's still so much stuff to learn. As I'm recording this, I'm having a hard time returning more than one option here. But here we are to learn, and I hope I learn how to return more than one. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed my walkthrough. And thank you. Thanks for the opportunity to do this. And thanks for watching. Talk to you later, guys.